Narendra? Hey Narendra, please wake up, come back to Maj.
Oh, sure, Poonam. After blessing of Ganesh, I have brought a question for our audience.
Question?
Yeah, question.
So do you have a prize for your question?
Yes, winner will get a prize.
Oh, so bring it on.
Okay, dear audience, here's the question. In which state of India has the largest cultural music event? In which state of India have a largest cultural music event?
Please raise your hand who knows the answer. Anyone?
Yes, please. No, wrong.
No, that's
sorry.
a wrong answer.
Sorry. No Bengal. No Maharashtra. No, sorry.
So, okay, Narendra, please
No,
give
no,
a...
somebody trying.
Okay.
Which one? What?
So, I think we should give a clue here. Please, Narendra, give a clue first.
What?
No. No. Give a clue. Please,
No,
Narendra,
no,
I
no,
would
no.
ask you to give a clue.
I'm sorry. No. So, no, it's Chennai.
Oh, I was close to that answer.
It's Chennai.
No, no, no.
Tamil. Okay, okay. Yeah. Yeah,
So
come on, come on this
he
stage.
was-
Please, come on this stage. Yeah, we have the prize for you.
Looks like he's ahead of you, Narendra.
Yeah. No, he's very, very specific. Yeah, come on the stage, please.
Sir, So friends, even better than the prize for this question, we are going to have a glimpse of this famous music festival. We will now listen to 3 Carnatic songs sung by students from Mrs. Meera Nand Kumar. So please welcome them. They are very talented people.